Okay, I have this tiny little snippet of time and 16% left on my camera battery. I wanted to show you something, but first, today we had a very peaceful morning. I did some knitting, and last night I stayed up really late and I finished the mouse, Hazel. And I say that quietly because she's just been in here sewing, and I just told her I just kicked her out so I could do this video, and I can hear her humming. So I'll make this quick because she wants to get cracking on her making. But we just went for a beautiful big long walk at the pine forest in close to town. And we went with friends and it was really lovely, but it poured with rain when we arrived, and then it was fine, and then it absolutely poured down on our way home. So we had that little window of pocket of no rain, which was great, but it's the most bizarre summer weather. They did say that we were going to have a wet summer, so it is true. And I've just taken my jumper off because it was sopping. I need to put another jumper on, and I replaced my sun hat with my beanie. Can't remember the name of this beanie, but it's made with my friend's alpaca fleece. Might be an Antler. I have the mouse here and it's pretty cute. There it is. It needs blocking. I normally would block when I made the bears from this designer. I blocked it before I stuffed it, but I just felt like stuffing it along the way as I was knitting, so I will block it. Like, I need to block the ears. Just do a little bit of blocking when it's wet, which is kind of nice anyway because you get to sort of mold the stuffing into place. And yeah, so this is the little mouse. And I love its little like pink feet and pink hands and little pink nose. It's very cute. And I'm currently knitting a pair of overalls. Well, they're trousers with straps, so in this blue. So they will sit sort of like that on the mouse. Yes, so I was so excited to finish this. Now I've got to make the other two their toys. I've got this little bit of yarn still attached because I'm just making sure I've closed in all the areas. Another thing that I need to block. Can you see the tail? I need to block the tail out. But that is such a cute tail. And I'd like to also block it so that the mouse sits properly. It's gonna look so cute with a jumper and its little trousers. So cute, so cute. I'm very, very happy with this. I am going to make an asparagus risotto tonight, so that will be lovely. And I'm just gonna keep doing the knitting. I sent out my last orders today. I'm feeling really good, really relaxed, and I do need to bake a cake for Charlotte's party with her friends tomorrow. So I need to find out what sort of cake she wants. Hopefully she just wants something like a banana cake or something easy, and we can put icing on it. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna get on with what I need to do, and Hazel is gonna come in and do what she needs to do. Before I go though, I just wanted to say a huge thank you for everyone who's watching my little journey on Vlogmas. I am thoroughly enjoying bringing these little snippets of our day to you all. Yeah, and maybe if any of you have any questions or anything that you'd like me to show you or go through, anything sort of Christmas related, I'd be happy to do a bit of a Q&A, maybe on the weekend or one of the days where I don't have much content to bring to you. So yeah, there will be lots of making coming up. I will be making like crazy, and we will be baking a bit more. So anyway, I just remembered that we have a huge amount of mangoes in the house, so I'm gonna go and eat a mango. See you guys later. Bye.